morning. It's Vlogmas, you guys. Yay, welcome.
Guys, so let's get into this video. I apologize for my voice in advance. I'm having a bit of sore throat and difficulty to, swallow stuff. So the first thing I like to do, this holiday season, the first thing I want to do is to start cleaning. I haven't had a lot of time, so I'm home this weekend and I want to use that opportunity to clean, and that's my first approach to the holidays. I'll be doing a lot of laundry and cleaning the house as well. So I'm taking down curtains in my room, in the living room, and my mom's room and the dining. So I will wash all of that today, and also some of my bed sheets and pillowcases, like all the laundry I need to do, I will do them today. And if you think that you have a lot of laundry and you cannot finish them one day, it's very okay to share them into different days and different times. So it'll be easy for you to just do your thing. So yeah.
So guys, I'm heading to the laundry room to wash all of that. Alright guys, so I'm currently at the last lap. I just finished washing all of them. It's just remaining one more curtain. I hope you can hear me because of the noise. So I used two, one sunlight and one wow soap, and that's the sign. And I am done washing. Super excited about this. I should shoot a thumbnail right now. I just realized I haven't.
Many minutes later.
Hello, lady, how you happy? Alright guys, so the curtain is dry. This net is dry, so I'm going to put it on first. to do is to clean my fan. I'll show you guys in a minute. It's really, really dirty. Right, so to loosen this rechargeable fan, I'm either going to use one of these screwdrivers,
their bed sheets before they go to bed, or just to get rid of wrinkles and lines. I do. Let me know in the comment section if you find it weird. Hey guys, so I think this is where I'm going to end this vlog, today's vlog. I am so tired, I swear to God, tired, exhausted, and I only ate once today. I mean, my throat still really, really hurts, and my mom had gotten me some vitamin C. I've been licking this and I've been drinking lots of water, and I think maybe I'll go and make it Lipton tea again just to help my throat. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, my first vlogmas in this year, in December 2021, and see you guys in my next one. Peace out. Bye.